Loading foundation into a bunch of frames and discovered that I missed cleaning out the bottom edge for this. There's a video about cleaning old comb out on the channel, but in this case I'm just going to talk about a couple tools that I use for cleaning the groove out, which is mucked up with wax and propolis. This is an all-purpose tool, typically used, I think, for linoleum. And I use this and I run it down the sides just to cut through the wax and free it up. And then the second tool that I've discovered is this one. This is used in the automotive industry for the purpose of removing window clips when you're doing moldings on cars. It's got a right and a left, and in this case, from my standpoint, I'm going to use it this way, but I could switch hands or do it from this side. Doesn't matter how it works. The cool thing about this is it has this little curved edge here, and it makes it perfect for going down underneath and getting the wax out of the groove. It just pops it right out. And you just run it down, and you could really get the groove clean with a little bit of patience. You ever try to put foundation in and have it encounter a chunk of wax and propolis? And the tool, you just turn it up and it really pries it out. So again, look for cleaning old comb, and this is a window molding clip tool removal. If you search for that on Amazon, you'll find it. What a great tool.